Alright, so this is pork chop, so we gotta do fry pork chop. So first we gotta wash the meat. We always do that, you know, wash the meat. So this is the pork chops, we gotta wash the meat. This is the pork chops, we gotta season, we clean it up and, you know, so we gotta season it. What is that?
This is Saison.
This is what she's using.
It's a Hispanic seasoning.
Okay. So he's using 2 packs?
I'm just gonna use one.
Okay.
And we got this adobo, which is another Hispanic seasoning. Then we got some pepper.
Black pepper, go on there, black pepper. Stop this, show it. Yeah.
Garlic powder.
Rub it in. Yeah, so rubbing, get the flavor in the meat, you know. Now just rub it in best as possible.
We're gonna use another one.
Okay, so I gotta use 2 packs of this one. How much meat was it? How much pound of meat?
It was 2 packs. 2 packs is 6.
2 packs of pork chops. That's it. Anything else? You put in anything else?
Then we're gonna put some mustard. Because it makes it crispy when you fry it.
Okay, mustard make it crispy. That's what. So that's it? So we put it to marinate.
Yep.
Chops, remember the pork chops we put to marinate? Yeah, so we put it in, this is flour in a container. So this is oil over here hot. And yeah, simple as that.
Simple.
Let's just put the flour over it. Fried pork chops. Yes, that's very easy. So pot it high, pork chops frying, container with flour, and that's it. Yeah, this is our fried pork chops. Yeah, so this is the pork chops. Come to a fry, ready to heat. And this is it. Looking good. I'm ready to eat.